So you want to earn your first dollar online and you want to earn it fast. And you also want to earn it via PayPal. Is it possible? Of course it is. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few different ways on how you can earn your first dollar online and you can earn it fast and get paid via PayPal. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm actually going to share with you a few ways here on how you can earn your first dollar online, how you can earn it fast and get paid via PayPal here. So what you need to do is pay attention and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on these methods that I'm going to share with you here on how you can earn your first dollar online. And you're probably not going to get rich with these methods I'm going to share with you. They're a great way to make some extra money with. But if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn our first dollar online fast. Let's get started. Alright, the first opportunity I'm going to share with you here today is surveytime.io. Now surveytime.io, you probably realize that it is about surveys, and it is exactly that. They do pay out $1 actually instantly for every survey you take. So it can't be easier than this actually. Let's have a quick look here at the FAQ. It really is simple and straightforward. I'm going to show you later on. I've signed up with this site and taken actually a few of these surveys here. So how it works is that after you sign up, you answer a few questions to help us create your profile, as they say here, and we'll offer you the surveys that fit your interests, okay? So they know exactly where you're located. If they have something that is local, they will send surveys for that and so on there. And then you can start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. So you can see here, where can I redeem my $1 reward? There are different gift cards available for each country. For example, in the US, the options are Amazon, PayPal, Target and Decathlon. After choosing your reward, you need to follow the instructions and they send you a confirmation email also on that. So you get notified actually via email or text. I get about 1 or 2 notifications per day actually on this offer here on Survey Time. Alright, so what happens if you fail? Well, then you have to move on to the next one. Alright, so there you have it about surveytime.io. Simple and straightforward. Just log in, take the surveys and get your first dollar there. Alright, let's move on to something else, and we go to a site which is squeezyCash.com. You can see here squeezyCash, they do offers membership. Of course it is 100% free. You get paid to fill out free offers, taking surveys, play games, sign up for free sites, sign up for free trials and earn cash back for online shopping there. There is also a referral program, which means that you earn a passive income with the referral system. So refer friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings. Plus you also get $1 per active referral. Payment, gift cards and prices are sent next day, so that is super fast and of course without any fee. So you earn even more when you participate in the contest that they have also here. And you can pick, if you don't want PayPal, of course you can pick iTunes, for example, eBay, Walmart, Visa, Amazon gift cards and so on. But I think most of us probably would prefer PayPal here. So you can see here they do explain what is squeezyCash. It works with the advertisers to pay you for signing up for free sites, completing offers, taking surveys, trying products and shopping online. So there's definitely more than just one opportunity. You can't go wrong with these sites here to actually earn your first dollar online there. So have a look at the details for yourself. I needed to move on here to share a few other opportunities and sites also, so you don't miss out on them. Okay, so you can see here it totally explains everything, how it works, how you can earn. You can see here free offers, surveys, trials, shopping offers, offer wall, survey wall, referring program. There is the contest, squishy, slots and forum games. Tons of opportunities. It totally depends on you if you're interested, for example, in taking surveys. You do have that. There is free trials, so a lot of opportunities. Okay, and they do pay out the next day, so you really get paid fast with this site here. Let's move on to something different here, and there is a site like Rapidworkers where you can take up on micro tasks, simple straightforward tasks, and earn some really quick money there. All right, so you can see here for example this is a data entry, new instructions, you earned 3 cents. We have, for example, take pictures plus upload plus bonus, 51 cents. So if you take 2 of these, you have your first dollar online there. It goes fast actually. You can see here, create a Gmail account, 10 cents. So when you do 10 Gmail accounts, for example, you have your first dollar online. And it goes fast to actually create a Gmail account, okay? We're talking about minutes here. So a lot of opportunities here on microworkers.com, and there is actually similar sites like Microworkers that has actually popped up later on after the Microworkers. I think Microworkers was probably the first company, but we have Rapidworkers. This is another cool example, and you can see here you vote for a YouTube video, you earn 10 cents. By following someone on Twitter, 12 cents. So how fast? It takes 1 minute, as you can see here. Okay, it goes really fast. We have Gmail accounts here also, 13 cents. So if I show you the members area inside here, you can see actually you can earn, for example, here $2.20, sign up on the legal helpers, life points. If I scroll down a little bit here, let's see, healthcare, sign up, 2 minutes, watch all your favorite online movies and series for free, $1.20. It takes approximately 5 minutes, but it can go faster also as well here. Okay, we have something for German, so there is definitely something for everyone inside here on rapidworkers.com. I mean, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here is an international offer, 60 cents. If you take 2 of these, then you have $1.20 here. So as I said, available worldwide. Definitely there are opportunities here. Here are more international. Look at this, for example, 50 cents. Take 3 of these and you have $1.50. All right, it might take you a little while. You're not going to get rich, as I said, with these opportunities, but it's definitely a great way to earn some extra money online. Better than nothing. All right, so let's move on to something else here, and that is a pretty similar site to the previous ones I shared earlier here, which is creationrewards.net. Now the cool thing here is by just signing up you get $5 in bonus, $5 in bonus. So you already have more than $1 online here, all right? So here's how you can earn free cash and gift cards for the things you do online every single day. And you could see earlier that it is about taking surveys, shopping online, watching videos, explore websites, try offers and much more. And you can see there is always something to do to earn points there. They do recommend you, of course, to log in daily. You redeem your points for free gift cards to your favorite stores such as Amazon or Walmart, or of course for cash through PayPal. Easy and fun. Here you can see paid surveys, watching videos, visit websites, online shopping, completing offers, and of course another referral program here as well. So Actually, you can see also here some of the stores, if you prefer actually to take maybe something on Walmart or Amazon or whatever is available here. So have a look at it. There is an FAQ section also if you're interested to have a look at that. How to earn rewards. You can see you can actually go through this for yourself. Frequently asked questions. You can see here what is creation rewards. Do you need my mailing address and so on here. So I don't think actually it is an online rewards program. So definitely go ahead and have a look at this for yourself actually. creationrewards.net. Alright, let me give you one more here, the final one, and that is swagbucks.com. This is probably one of the most popular, if not even the popular. You can see here they do have paid out well over 390 millions until this day, okay? So here is a testimonial. My most rewarding moment with Swagbucks is using the gift cards I earned to buy gift cards for child. And they do have tons of offers like shopping, watching videos, searching the web, answering surveys and finding great deals, of course, to earn your points there. You redeem them for, of course, cashing, or you redeem them for actually Amazon gift cards, for example, Walmart, or of course if you prefer a cashback from PayPal. Alright, have a look at the details. There is also an app here, so if I just show you here on how it works, you can see here you join Swagbucks, totally free, you earn points with all the opportunities here. So if I scroll down, you can see you can answering surveys, watching videos, discovering offers, searching the web, play games, mobile app. Of course, as I said earlier here, there is an application also, so you can do all the tasks via this application also there. Alright, so there you have it, how you can earn your first dollar online fast, and you are going to get paid via PayPal, of course. Now, as I said earlier here, you're probably not going to get rich with these opportunities here. They are a great way to make some extra money online, but if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And you also find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.